Okay, here we go. Oh, he already forfeited, and I just recorded that. I just recorded that. It turned on literally when you said I forfeit.
Hey, I didn't forfeit. That wasn't real. Let's go.
Okay.
Frank, bro. In the left side, we have number 5, Doomish. Probably Kappa Pride, who knows?
Hey, what the
and
fuck?
on the right side,
Fucking Kappa.
He's got a gun and blue hair. Probably gonna shoot somebody. We have
Fucking school shooter.
You already know.
We have the biggest cock in the world, Void.
now.
Fuck.
The winner
Oof.
of this fight will either be A, fed to that giant spider, or B, burned alive at the stake. The winner's
Oof.
prize.
Burning as a steak.
You get
Now,
fed to a spider, bro.
without further
Yo,
ado,
what the fuck?
3, 2, 1, go!
Punch, punch,
kick,
punch,
roundhouse kick,
Just straight up.
punch, kick, windmill punch.
What the fuck? Ding, ding, ding! Time! Break it up, you two.
Oh my.
Oh damn!
That was an aggressive playstyle by Doom. How do you feel about the outcome of this fight, Doom?
I'm fucking a winner.
Yo, what the fuck? How am
Oh,
I
I
supposed
see.
to?
Okay,
What the
how
fuck? You just don't
that
do
was some pretty weak fighting over there, Void. How do you feel about that?
I couldn't
Oh,
stop fucking
my.
laughing at this fucking weak ass nigga.
Are you saying your punches will reach the heavens?
My punches will break the heavens.
Oh god damn it. Okay.
Punch.
No, that was Gurren Lagann right there.
Alright.
I think
Michelle, close door, please.
On a real
Yeah.
note, I could not fucking stop laughing.
Yeah,
Well,
I'm ready.
well,
I think
well.
I won.
Okay, round 2. In 3,
Going again?
2. You want an actual boxing thing, don't you? Okay.
All right,
So
that's 2 out
okay.
of 3. I'm guessing.
Okay. 1, 3, 2, 1. Ding, 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 ding.
Punch, punch, kick. Roundhouse kick, fucking right, punch, kick, punch, deflect.
Ding, 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 ding. Back to your corners. Unfortunately, Void, we could barely understand what you were doing. So, this round goes to Void.
No.
You're going, oh, in your fucking
No,
mic. We couldn't.
Punch.
Yeah, you were saying it so close to your fucking mic, we couldn't make out the goddamn word. It was another ending thing of just mouth,
All right.
insert mic into mouth.
I know. Alright, I read.
Discord.
I know.
Okay.
Hey, what the fuck you doing? You fucking cheating out here, bro? What the fuck?
What the fuck?
No.
Nah.
1.
Ding, 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 ding. Oh god damn it. Ding, 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 ding. God damn it.
KFC and watermelon?
KFC and watermelon. What? Wait, are you black?
Each? No, I'm fucking white.
Oh, okay.
No, I got the
Hey,
nigga.
come on, bro.
Oh, goddamn. What? Number 5, are you black? Number 5, you black?
Yes.
Fuck you mean
Yes.
you won? You
Well, you were racist during the fight, so I guess.
I'm the whitest person ever.
I know, right? Fucking, so, hang on, let us referees. Hey, us referees will go discuss. Come here, referee. Come here. Yeah, come here. Okay. So who do you think won with that one? I mean, he was just yelling KFC and watermelon. Yeah.
Oh, I mean, I think.
Hey, go back over there! Get back over there! Get!
He made him laugh, and then he beat him up, dude. So I
Yeah,
don't know.
so I don't know. It's like it's kind of fucking. I don't
Maybe
know.
They should do rock paper scissors to solve it out.
How are they gonna do that? Neither of them have VR.
But they just say it on 3.
Oh,
You know,
okay.
Rock paper scissors. They say.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. We have a way.
Determine
Champion.
that
Hey.
it has been a tie, and so it will be solved with a game of rock paper scissors.
Oh my ass!
Fuck you mean a
All right.
tie?
It was a fucking tie. No. 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 Us referees.
There's no tie.
There's no. Y'all both knocked each other out with that one.
The third round, it was a tie. That's why.
Yeah. So you both got the
Alright.
final. So on 3, when we say 3, you say rock, paper, or scissors. Okay? And the person who wins this wins the round. So,
All right.
1, 2, 3.
Paper.
Paper.
Oh, goddamn.
You
Oh.
said
Oh.
it so late.
Yeah, you said
That was
right when I say on
I
3.
said it, for me, I said it as soon as Doom said it.
Oh, shit.
I-
No. Okay, both you say it when I say 3, okay? Don't go on when you say it with that guy. You say it when I say 3, okay? Let's do this again. 1, 2, 3.
Rock.
Scissors.
Doom lost. Doom! Get back over here! God damn it! He fucking cheated! He cheated!
Doom has chosen the third
Option, which is jump off the cliff. Yep. And that is, it takes the cake. I'm gonna stop recording now. Oh my fucking god!
Match.
Do you have any comments on this boxing match before we end?
It was absolutely a fantastic fight. Very close. Great performances from both parties.
Okay.
I would just like to say, where the fuck is Mayweather?
Nunny.
Yeah, Floyd Mayweather who? Let's go.